Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm excited to share with you how to edit the footer in WordPress. Let's dive right in. First of all, let me inform you that different WordPress websites have different themes, and within any theme, you will find various options to edit the header and footer sections of the website. In this WordPress theme, you will find the Tanda options here to edit the website's top bar, header, and footer. Click on it to open the page where you can edit the header and footer. Here you can edit social icons and additional links. In the footer menu, you can edit the company links, solution links, and contact info with all its sections. To clarify further, let me take you to the associated website. Here you can see the header of the website, and if you scroll to the bottom of the website, you will see the footer of this website with all the company links, solution links, and contact info. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.